everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be explaining how to prevent and remove little hairs while applying the nail polish. I'll start off by saying why they occur and then move on to how to prevent the little hairs, which are also known as lint, from appearing on your nails while applying anything like nail polish or a top coat. I'll be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you will get the most out of any nail polish or top coat that you use. This is the nail polish that I'm currently testing out. It is a purple shade by the brand Teen Beauty. I will be uploading my review about this nail polish in the month of October. Please click the eye icon which is on the top right side corner to view this video. As this video progresses, there will be more such pop-ups. Do check them out for more information. Why do little hairs or lint occur? I just call these tiny hairs or lints as dust particles. But lint and fuzz hairs are composed of tiny bits of fabric fibers that shed from the edges of our garments, mainly due to wear and tear. Did you know that fabrics made of natural fibers like cotton and wool generate more lint than fabrics made of rayon and other synthetic materials? Our family includes 2 cats, so their tiny or baby fur also is considered. Don't forget to check out all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must watch for beginners. How to prevent the little hairs and lint while applying nail polish or top coat. Wash and dry your hands fully to remove all the foreign dirt. Now this point is a bit confusing, but hear me out, okay? You need to apply a nail polish or top coat in a ventilated room. And while applying the nail polish, do not perform the task under or near a running fan or even an open window which has a breeze. After applying the nail polish or top coat, please do not move your hands around until the applied layer has fully dried up. This will prevent any lint which is in the air to get stuck onto the wet polish. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2020. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. How to remove the little hairs or lint. The first option is to just redo the nail if possible. If you have just a single polish like this and find a lint, then I just redo that particular nail. The second option I do when I have done a nail art and don't want to redo the entire process again. I use the thinnest brush tip I have in my brush kit. The main reason for using this brush is that it gives a light touch and in turn does not damage the nail polish or nail art. It looks like a striping brush that has fewer bristles and the bristles are pretty long. As soon as I'm done applying my nail polish, I do a quick check to see if any lint got trapped. It is best to remove the lint when the polish is still wet. As you can see, this finger has lint. So I take my brush and with a gentle touch, just stroke on the top area of the lint. I also focus on the actual location of the lint. That is the lint on top or is it at the very bottom of the nail polish? Depending on that, I adjust my brush stroke pressure. After removing the lint, I have to now cover the dent it has created. I first clean my brush I do that by dunking the brush into this cap filled with some acetone-free nail polish remover. The cap is from a medicine bottle. I use this cap just for this purpose. Remove the excess nail polish remover and then again with a light touch, I stroke the dented area with the same nail polish. I use a very little amount. The trick is to cover up the dent but also not to put too much polish and create a bump. Now I wait for a minute so that this dries up. Now after it is fully dried up, I apply my top coat, and again I don't move my hand for a minute or until this polish dries up. If you happen to notice a lint on your nails after it is completely dried up, then I would suggest you apply just a bit of nail polish remover and make the polish wet again, and follow it up with all the steps that I've already shown you. I would also suggest you to check out my video, which is episode 151. It is salon style manicure at home video. I have covered all the pre and post treatment care, which are also important. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!